guys, so today I will be sharing my review on the Lotus Herbals Skin Brightening and Detanning Facial. I have this right here, it's unopened, I haven't opened it at all, so let's do this together. So in the box there are 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's talk about one of them, okay? Don't know if you can see. The first thing I noticed is they have clear instructions. They have 5-step routine and it's very clear. So the first one is cleansing gel. The second step is detan polisher. The third step is deep cell activating serum. Fourth step is brightening facial cream. And fifth step is the algae peel off mask. So that's quite easy to understand, just straightforward. Let's open it. Are you excited as I am? I really love a good facial at home. Saves you so much money as well. And you can do it yourself. So there are 4 tubes inside. Okay. So, oops. There we go. So I'm not gonna apply it on my face, but I will show you the steps. And I can show you the texture, what it's like. So the cleansing gel. There we go. Gel-like texture. Very soothing. I love the fragrance. It's amazing. So the second one is the detan polisher. Okay. It's a scrub, but it's quite gentle. Like there are little beads, but it's quite gentle on the skin and it's very creamy at the same time. And the third one is deep cell activating serum. Right here. This is a gel again, just like the cleanser, so serums. I think it's fragrance free and it just absorbed on my skin. Just before I show you the 4th product, my skin, it actually feels so soft and amazing. Okay, so the 4th step is the brightening facial cream. This also has a nice fragrance. This is a little thick. A little bit goes a very long way. Can you see the difference? The last but not the least, the step is the peel off mask. I am not gonna apply the mask, but it says to use 20 grams, add some water to it and mix well and apply it onto the face for 15 to 20 minutes. And then you will have a beautiful glow. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to try it on for you. And keep watching, subscribe for more. Bye!